Hey HighLift crew, we are still at the Mid-America Off-Road Expo, and I am here with Joey from RealTruck. RealTruck really came in for real this time, and he's going to talk to us about a couple of their top-selling products. Hey Joey, how's it going?
Hi, how are you?
Good.
Good. So we're going to talk about the RealTruck Winch. It's our 10,000-pound winch. Comes with 100 feet of Dyneema rope, which is going to be the best rope that we can get on the market right now. The greatest thing about this is it's IP68 rated.
Oh, that's cool.
So you're not going to have any dust intrusion, water intrusion, things like that. And it's fully encased in powder-coated aluminum, which is not going to have any rust or anything. Another cool thing, can I have that remote?
Oh, what?
Yeah.
What? By the way, guys, this was featured at SEMA 2024. Epic build, just so you know, of this Bronco.
Absolutely.
Here's your remote, Joey.
Thank you. So this will go up to 98 feet, so basically all the way out of that rope, right? You can go in and out. It will give you also what we call the stupid bar.
Oh.
Yep.
Oh.
And then it'll go from green to yellow to red. So it'll be on the remote for you. And what that'll do is tell you exactly how much weight is on that winch, so you don't break anything.
Okay, we don't want to break.
Also hidden in here is the same light bar.
Oh my gosh.
So you can actually see it from the vehicle as well.
That is so cool.
Now we've got another great product here. It is the hydraulic jack from RealTruck. What this is going to give you is similar to your high lift jacks that you have in off-roading, right? But the great thing about this one is every time you move this handle, you're going to get 0.5 inches of lift.
All right.
So every time you go up, 0.5, down 0.5. So you don't have to worry about going up only when you're coming down on the handle. Another great thing.
It looks so easy too. Oh my gosh,
Super
did you see
easy,
that? Look
right?
at that.
So we are fully sealed. It's a fully sealed cylinder.
Yeah.
So you can run it horizontally or vertically.
Okay.
What that's going to be able to do is mount it anywhere on a vehicle.
Very cool.
You won't have any hydraulic fluid leaking out, anything like that. You can change out these pins as well.
Oh.
We've got multi uses. So we've got the normal high lift pin. We've also got a tire hook as well.
Oh.
So you can get your tire out of the mud, put some mud underneath it, and get out of any sticky situation. And then we do have, you can start it at 24 inches, which is where it's at now, or all the way down to 6 inches. Both sides lock, and that'll give you the ability to start anywhere on the vehicle, wherever you are in the outdoors.
That's amazing.
Yep.
Just so you guys know, you can get this product at HighLift Off-Road. Come see us. Thank you, Joey.
Absolutely, thank you.
Mid-America Off-Road Expo, HighLift Off-Road. RealTruck. Here we go.
HighLift Off-Road.
Yes.